everyone, welcome back. Have you been missing going to salon for getting your hair done? I know you do, but you don't have to worry about that anymore because you can do it right at your home itself. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can achieve salon-like hair at your home by following certain easy steps. Let's go. So the first step is oiling your hair. You have to oil your hair and leave it for a night, and the next day you have to follow the further steps. So the next day we will be beginning with our steps. So I'll be meat parting my hair into two sections, and I'll be separating the two sections on the two sides. With the help of a rubber band, I'll be tying up one of the sections so that I get a free surface to work with another end. The next step is hair mask. For hair mask, I'll be using the Mamaearth Argan hair mask. This is my favorite hair mask. So I'll be taking a little amount with the help of my fingers. I'll be starting the application of the mask from the roots and coming down to the tips. So now it's time for the other half. So we will be repeating the same procedure for this half as well. So now I'll be taking a shower hair cap. I'll be putting my entire hair inside the shower hair cap and keeping it on for 25 minutes. After that's done, it's time for rinsing it off. For this, I'll be using the Wow Red Onion range of shampoo and conditioner. Now I'll be towel drying my hair for moving on to the further steps. So now my hairs are dry and I'll be beginning with my last step. So I'll be middle parting my hair with the help of a comb. So basically I'm making two sections. With the help of a clip, I'll be clipping one of the sections. Let's detangle it a little bit. Use a heat protectant serum for beginning with this step. Massage some of the serum throughout your hair thoroughly. This step will help in protecting your hair from heat. So for this step, I'll be using a straightener by Philips. It's their selfie straightener. So now I'll be turning on my straightener and wait for 2 minutes to let it heat up. Till then, I'll be making smaller parts of my hair like so. I'll be tying the remaining end. I'll be taking my comb and detangling my hair. Now I'll be taking the straightener and straighten my hair. Make sure to be slow in this step. I'll be doing the same for each of the small sections. Do the same for each of these sections like so. You can see the difference already. So I'll be repeating the same procedure for the other section. So we are done. Our salon-like hair is ready to be flaunted. You can see my hair is looking really freshly done and it's looking super soft and smooth and sleek. So as you saw, the steps were really very easy and can be easily done at your home itself. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and yeah, let's meet up in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.